This already sounds completely different from most Dimash performances, and this part makes it even more unusual. I am Fabio, vocal coach. There are 4 reasons why this song sounds different from almost everything Dimash has done. Most Dimash songs are written in a lyrical style. Five pushes him to a more aggressive vocal delivery.
I have a fire in my eyes, but can you see the real me?
Heavy mixed voice. Instead of floating in head voice, he keeps a heavier mix in the upper register. It means that instead of woo, I have a fire in my eyes, can't you see the real me? Woo, but the biggest difference in this song is actually not the high notes. Instead of support long notes in this part, he needs to be aware with the rhythm, much more percussive. The arrangement pushes him to sing with such more intensity, with a fast dynamic and a very high percussion, and almost rock aesthetic.
But can I take it?
Five, physical performance. This performance is much more physical than most of his ballads. In the song, Dimash have to make a fast breath. Join to this a body movement with a bend in his spine while he doing one of the most high notes of his repertoire. So high sounds different because of aggressive vocal writing, heavier mix, rap delivery, and an explosive arrangement. It reveals a much more intense side of Dimash as a performer. Look at this power of the heavy mixed voice. A lot of frontal resonance. Let's get it taken! Rock this! There's a lot of versions of Fi on YouTube, and in each one of these, Dimash bring a different approach with rap, with changing lyrics, with other languages and much more. If you like this content, subscribe the channel, join to us, and I'll see you soon.